Out here at Joshua Creek Preserve, early morning hike. Got the sunrise. That's pretty. It's a nice brisk morning. Pepper, what do you think? Like it? Oh yeah, look at her. Loving it. Alright, let's go to the dog park. Okay, so here's the dog park. Or maybe it's a human park, just with dog type obstacles. Gonna let Pepper off to run around, throw the ball. Get her heat going, body temperature up. Yeah, it looks like there's a couple of them. There's this back one, but then you go in this front area, so I guess you got two. Maybe one's for small, one's for large dogs. Now let's check it out. There's the entrance. It's the first right after you come into place. So wall parking. Oh yeah, Pepper. Ooh, getting excited. She's been loving all the deer activity. Nice and chilly. Deer are out. Authorized vehicles only. We're not going there. We're going. Okay, so we got two different entrances. They got a little water thing, collection. Tap this way. Let's see. Dog park rules. Possible by vet, wildlife, Kendall County Youth Agricultural. Really cool. Big. Poop bags. Easy to get in. They even put, it doesn't say which one's which. Let's just go in the big one. Come on, Pep. There we go. All right. Pep, you ready? I hope there's no other gates open. Pep, you ready to run? You ready to run? Okay, Pep, got a ball. Pep, ball. You ready? You ready? You ready? Ball. Okay. Oh yeah, this is gonna be fun. Woo! You're loving it. Okay, Pepper. Here, do this obstacle. Right here, Pep. Pep, come here. Stay there. Sit. Pepper, sit. Sit. Good girl. Okay, ready? Go ahead. Okay, Pep, bring it here. Pep, come on. Come on. Pepper, come on. Come on, Pep. No? Okay, good. Here, Pep, come this way. Ready? Jump. Come here. Ready? Ready to do an obstacle? Okay. Ready? Jump. Woo! Good job. Okay, you ready for another one? Come on. Right here. Up. Like this. Here. No, come on, Pep. Come on, this way. Pep, come here. Ready this way? Okay, you wanna go through? Go get it. Oh, shit. That's the human fault. Yeah, good girl. It takes about 45 minutes to get here, so it's a nice break for her. All right, ready? Go ahead. Okay. There's a ton of tennis balls out here. We brought our own racquetball. My favorite thing here is they got a fire hydrant right in the middle. Dogs love fire hydrants. All right, Pep, you don't really know how to bring me the ball. You run after it good though. Pep, let's check out the fire hydrant. Oh, going right for it. You know what to do. Yeah, that's exactly what. You look at it mean. Guessing it's a real one? Who knows? Pep, how many paws? 5 paws? Out of 5? Okay, one more throw, Pep. All right, I'm gonna throw it over there. Ready? Go get it. Oh, she's loving this. Woo! Yeah, she probably won't bring it back, so that just means I gotta. Yeah, bring it back. Good girl. Good girl. Bring it here. Nope, dropped it. Yeah, and left it. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. All right, we'll work on the fetch. Okay, get the ball and then get out of here. Where are you going? All right, Pep, next time we'll check out the smaller side. Let's get back to San Antonio.